As I have explained to the House previously, when I first put myself forward to be Labour's parliamentary candidate for Poplar and Limehouse, the harassment I faced intensified. My ex-husband told people he was angry that I hadn't asked his permission to stand. He threatened to expose me to the community, knowing that he had intimate details about my medical history and pictures of me without my hijab on. Threats were made to my campaign team members about telling the press stories about me, and they were told that people should make me stand down or else. And at the time, my ex-husband was a sitting Labour councillor. He was then, as I understand even now, well connected in local political groupings and to a small clique within my local Labour Party. Now, 2 years after my election in 2019, I was made to endure a vexatious 8-day trial of criminal charges as a result of a complaint made by my ex-husband's brother-in-law that I was completely cleared of, but that which I feel continues to haunt me and perhaps will for the rest of my life. Why? Because even after he was expelled from the Labour Party for his treatment of me, he stood against me in the general election in 2024 with the stated aim of wishing to set the record straight. Indeed, I found out through a press outlet less than 20 minutes before the legal nominations deadline closed that he was standing. Just 20 minutes to decide whether I should continue to embark on my re-election campaign with the prospect of continuing to be in public life, knowing that the harassment had rolled on from party and court processes now into an electoral one. I just want to highlight to the House just what this means in practice. I was unable to attend some hustings and had to seek advice as to whether refusing to stand next to him at the election count would violate his legal rights as a candidate. I'd have to leave polling stations immediately where he would be tipped off about where I was. I had to stop campaigning early on the day because the threat just couldn't be managed. And there does appear to be little or no framework on how to manage the situation overall because he was already confirmed as a parliamentary candidate, or even to protect my democratic rights and indeed provide me with safety as a candidate.